आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Prove that the number of ways to select n objects from 3n objects of which n are identical and the rest are different is 2 raised to power 2n minus 1 plus 2n factorial divided by 2 into n factorial whole square. So let's start. So first of all we can write the number of selections of R objects from n identical objects and n minus r from 2n different, that is different object, that is we can write it as 1 into 2n c n minus r minus 2n c n minus r. So now we can write here r varies. We know that our r varies from 0 to n. Therefore required number of selection is, we can write summation n r is equal to 0 to n c n minus r, that will be equal to 2n c n plus 2n c n minus 1 plus 2n c n minus 2 plus 2n c 0. So now we can write it as, that will be equals to 2n c 0 plus 2n c 1 plus we have plus 2n c 2 and that's on we have 2n. See how we can write it? We can write it by writing in reverse order of this equation. So we can get this. So now after solving this we have to multiply and divide it with 2. Then we have 2 into 2n c 0 plus 2 into 2n c 1 plus 2 into 2n c 2, and that's on. Finally we have 2 into 2n c n. So now after solving it we have 1 by 2 by making pairing of digits. We have 2n c 0 plus 2n c n 2n. Similarly we can write 2n c 1 plus 2n c n minus 1 plus n dot 7 plus 2n c n minus 1 plus 2n c n plus 1. Similarly we have plus 2 into 2n c n. So after solving it we have, that will be equals to 1 by 2 into 2n c 0 plus 2n c 1 plus 2n c 2 plus 2n c 3 and plus we have 2n c 2n plus 2n c n, that will be equals to we have 1 by 2 into 2n plus 2n cn, that will be equals to 2 raised to power n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 2n factorial, that will be divided by 2 into n factorial whole square. We should know about the formula of NCR. We know that NCR, that will be equals to the form, that is the formula of combination, that we have n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So we can say this is the our answer, that is 2 raised to power n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2n factorial divided by 2 into n factorial whole square. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।